Imagine a future where artificial intelligence reigns supreme, transforming the landscape of jobs and careers. In a blink, job roles we take for granted could disappear, replaced by relentless, tireless AI. First, customer service. AI chatbots are already here answering queries round the clock, no coffee breaks needed. Then transportation. Autonomous vehicles are inching closer to becoming the norm, making truck drivers and taxi drivers a thing of the past. Next, data analysis. AI algorithms can crunch numbers faster and more accurately than any human, making them a natural fit for this role. Finally, manufacturing. Robots don't tire, they don't need breaks, and they can perform repetitive tasks with surgical precision. But don't fret. With every door that closes, another one opens. New careers will emerge in AI ethics, programming, maintenance, and more. The future is a canvas, ready to be painted by those who dare to adapt and innovate. Remember, change is the only constant.